Hi, and welcome to the Ritz Carlton Hotel in Waikiki, Oahu. We're staying in E1102. Show you around. Okay, so first, when you come from the entrance, get this nice long hallway that makes you kind of feel at home. And in here is the heating on this side, and right here is the washer dryer. Okay, and then you come here at this intersection. And right here is a nice closet to hang up clothes. You got your ironing board. There's a flashlight right there in case of emergencies. You have a nice big mirror. And then in here is I would say second, it's the guest bathroom. But I feel like royalty when I stay in here. Okay, so really pretty, nice, sleek counter. Comes with really great amenities. They give you great toiletries when you first come in. This is my favorite part of the bathroom, and it sounds weird, but this is one of those fancy toilets. It comes with this remote right here, and you can program it for user 1 and user 2. So every time you go to the bathroom, you can clean up, and it's like for a different person. And it also has a heated toilet seat, which is really nice on your bum. And then this is the shower, very nice and spacious. And it has just beautiful, beautiful space. And then you have some robes right here, which are really nice if you want to get into your spa mood. And then this door opens and connects to the guest room. So when you walk in, you're greeted with this really nice, I'm gonna say queen size bed. And you have 2 beautiful nightstands. I'm sitting over here, my brother is sleeping on that side. Right here is the closet space, which is really nice. Opens up beautifully. You have drawers, you have hangers, you have everything you could ask for. Here's a TV, and you can program it to be using YouTube, Netflix, Crackle, HBO, and Pandora. And then over here, in case you don't know where the remote is, they put the remotes here in these beautiful little boxes. Okay, let's continue. So we started over there, now over here, we're walking in. And you get this nice, beautiful space. Don't mind him, he's ugly. This is beautiful, beautiful kitchen. It has a really nice, deep sink. Hey guys, Daniel's so rude. Darren, this is a YouTube video.
Okay, keep going.
These really nice knives. You have really great counters with a bunch of stuff in them that helps you just move on with your everyday lives. It's beautiful, beautiful. I love it. It's my favorite part of this kitchen. Stovetop. It's really cool. And then you have this microwave down here. This is the dishwasher. And then refrigerator. Freezer. A really nice, pretty dining table that overlooks the beautiful view of the ocean and my brother. And then we also have this really nice and gorgeous living space to hang out with all your friends here. It also looks over some ugly buildings and the beautiful mountains. Their furniture is so nice in here. I absolutely love it. It's very abstract. And then, beautiful part is this great spacious balcony. Goes from there to all the way over there. And it overlooks this beautiful view. Okay.
Together. Say hi, Darren.
Okay. And then don't mind the clutter, but there's a really nice desk space right here. Just do whatever you want here. Do your work if you want to be boring on vacation. And here's the master bedroom. Just gonna skip him. But it has a balcony, it has a TV, and it has a king size bed.
That's half the master bedroom.
And over here is the beautiful walk-in closet. Can I just tell you, if this was in my bedroom, I would flip out and have the just crazy. So yeah. And then there's another closet right here.
Okay.
And this is a beautiful master bathroom. Double sinks for him and her. A beautiful tub. It's just beautiful. And then you have a water closet and another heating toilet. And then you have this beautiful shower. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you maybe plan your vacation, and I hope you come stay here. Thank you. Bye.
I wanted a career where I could drive this job on LinkedIn. I knew it was the right one for me. Our products can improve people's lives. Knowing I'm helping someone, that's super powerful.